Essay on the use of internet. The internet, which is one of the modern scientific discoveries, has changed the mode of human life. The use of internet is widely used for various purposes. The use of internet can simply be defined as a means of connecting a computer to any other computer anywhere in the world, named via dedicated routers and servers. When two computers are connected over the internet, they can send and receive all kind of information. The internet has provided us with multiple advantages. For instance, it is a huge source of information because we can easily find information about anything we want to know on the internet. There are numerous websites. Among such websites, Google is widely used by most of the internet users because the internet can be used as a store of knowledge. The use of internet can be used in teaching, learning programs as well. Moreover, the internet can be used for the purpose of business and banking sector too. We can find many online shopping websites on the internet. Furthermore, we can find vast use of the internet for various purposes as well. For instance, it has been a means of connecting people through various social networking sites such as Facebook, Messenger, Gmail, WhatsApp, Viber, etc. These facilities have made the task of communication tremendously easier, faster, and cheaper than traditional ones. The internet has some dark sides too. The overuse of the internet invites many health problems, but the internet has provided us huge range of advantages in our daily life. Thank you.